All right, so it's been 3 months. Been learning the code for 3 months. Got some updates, got some lessons we learned, got some mistakes that were made. We started out with Python, cool, and I chose Python because after all my research, it was Python's the easiest. Python's the easiest. So I began with that and I made some projects. I put a robot through a maze. I made the rock, paper, scissors game, band name generators, password generators. As I was learning Python, I was so new to software programming, didn't know enough about it. So I began researching other things and I found Udemy, Web Development Boot Camp. And I tried that out. And I learned HTML and I learned CSS. It felt easier to learn because when you're doing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, those things, you can watch it change immediately. So I could put in some HTML and I could watch it be added to the other screen. I could put in some CSS and I could watch things change on the other screen. So what I found is since I've switched to front end development, I've been a little more excited. It's been a little bit easier because when I change a div or I do something to the CSS of that div, I can actually see what's going on the page and I can look up the local files and watch it all happen, right, in real time. So I can actually test the code as I'm doing the code. That has been very beneficial to me. So I've been doing some kind of coding for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript each day. But with HTML and CSS, like I can make some really cool looking stuff with that. And that was just from learning them too. And they weren't terribly hard to learn. I do enjoy it more and I consistently work on it, an hour, 2 hours a day, at least 6 days a week, at the very least. And I'm okay with it. In turn, what I've learned as being a software developer, you will use Google a lot. And what I've been told is even as a senior software developer, you will use Google a lot. And Stack Overflow is very helpful. These are things that I didn't understand in the beginning, and I thought I just had to memorize everything. That's not. I use Google fairly often, not as much as I was. I also got my GitHub up, and I'm using it more. I'm understanding what GitHub is and how it works, and I've been consistently using that, so I'm getting my little green ticks, right? Because I know that recruiters will be looking at that. So on the front end, we made a penguin waving with divs. We made a Ferris wheel that spun and the carts in the Ferris wheel changed colors. I've made three different portfolios, but I keep practicing and changing them and they're looking better and better. So like from my first one to my second one to my third one, you can definitely see the growth in what I've learned through them portfolios. They're on my GitHub. Check out the link. I also am making a cat Tinder app. We call it Cat Dur. It's cat dirt. It looks really clean. This is a project through Udemy that I'm doing, so I am getting kind of a walkthrough with it because I did the responsive web design with Free Code Camp. I already know a lot of the things that I'm learning on the Udemy, so the Free Code Camp was very, very valuable, and I want to continue to use it. But also need some project ideas, and Udemy is helping me with that. Well, project ideas, design, creativeness, because I don't feel like I'm very creative. So it's been 3 months. I still don't have a job. I'm still not applying, but I can actually tangibly see what I've learned, right? I can actually see that I know things. When I watch coding and programming videos on YouTube, I can understand what they're saying somewhat. And it's really cool. It's like learning a different language. Like it used to, you'd see things and you would hear people talk and it was like a foreign. I was like, man, no idea what they're saying. And now, not a whole lot, but like I can understand what they're saying. And I'm enjoying this YouTube channel. I really enjoy making videos and editing them and playing with them. I've actually been researching it more, so it's kind of become a hobby. I'd like to elaborate on it more. I might try to do some different videos, some different things. A shocker for me that I actually enjoy this. Like I do. It's fun. I kind of like doing it. I got a nice little setup here. I like it. I got some new lights. I got another one coming. Trying to make it look better, look more professional. We'll see how that goes. This is my 3 month update.